Patrick Collison and John Collison, who attended Harvard University and MIT in 2010, watched their friends who started the online shopping mall business suffer from a complicated payment system. It was inconvenient because it had to go through 9 steps to link PayPal to the shopping mall, and consumers had to open a new window and pay. So the two started Stripe. The payment system they developed only needed to copy Stripe's payment solution, source code, and input it into their program. However, the reason why Stripe is highly regarded is because of the Collison brothers' attitude to the business. Even though they have excellence in service, they introduce themselves as problem founders rather than founders. The fact that they received investments from PayPal co-founders, such as Peter Thiel, Elon Musk, and Max Levchin for their service development, was due to their detailed explanation of how uncomfortable PayPal was. In response, Peter Thiel said, "They were confident in front of me because it was clear that there were many PayPal problems compared to Stripe. After they left, I asked myself why PayPal couldn't solve this problem. Stripe is a company that makes a list of problems that they want to solve rather than thinking about how to make money and then erases them one by one. If you want to succeed as an entrepreneur in an era where many services have already been implemented, you need to be a problem finder rather than a founder."